Hello everyone and welcome back to the Forge. Now it's been a while since we forged a sword here on the channel, so we're going to go ahead and jump on this project. This will be a German MESSER sword. It's going to be in my own style, of course. It'll be loosely based on the German MESSER sword. We're going to have a 22-inch blade with an overall length of 28 inches is what we're going to head for. More than likely a through tang. We may end up doing a full tang. I'm hoping to give a clamshell guard a try. And so that's the plan. And then, of course, later on, in the next video, after finishing this one up, we're going to forge a companion knife for it, or a buy knife for it. So we'll have them to the set. So with that being said, let's get the forge lit up, and let's get to work. here forged out, so we need to come down. Our blade lead is going to be 22 inches. So we're going to go ahead and mark it here at 22 inches and get prepared to start forging in the tang. Alright, let's get after it. Here's where we are on the MESSER sword. I've got the tang portion there forged in. I'm still not sure if I'm going to do a hidden or a through tang or a full tang construction. I'll figure that out as we go along. We got the shape we're looking for here with the harpoon point up at the top right there. Got that forged in, the tips forged in. So now after this cools down, we'll take it in there to the grinder and we'll start getting it cleaned up, get our bevels roughed in, get our fullers roughed in, and then it'll be off to heat treat. Alright, now we got our fullers roughed in. I got where I want the bevels marked out. Got the edge scribed here, as well as for our harpoon point here. I think we're ready to get our bevels ground in. So let's get over to the grinder and get to work. Alright, I think that's a good stopping point for this video. And the next video we'll get in and get it heat treated and get it cleaned up and the bevels finalized. We'll get the guard forged out and get it fit up, figure out these shoulders here. And in the meantime, I can be thinking about what I'm going to do this handle, whether I'm going to do a full tang construction or a through tang. I'm really thinking a through tang would look nice. But so far so good. Liking the way this is turning out. It's only like the third fuller I've ever ground, so it's getting there. I appreciate you for joining me for this video. If you would, hit that subscribe button down below, ring the notification bell as well to notify of my newest content as it posts. Like I said, I appreciate you very much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. You have a good one, and bye-bye.